Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new group on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your credentials or your Google account. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to create a new group, just tap on the groups option at the bottom left corner. You can then tap on start a new group if you don't already have one, or tap on the group icon at the top right corner. You will now be allowed to create your group right away. Just type in your desired group name, and you can also label the type of your group from the various options that are available, or create your own by choosing other. You can also choose a group photo by tapping on the camera icon and choosing a picture from your gallery or using your camera. Once you have added your photo and given your group name, tap on the done button, and now your group will be created right away. In order to add your members to your group, you can simply tap on the add group members option, and you will be able to add your friends directly from your contacts, or also by entering their name, their email address, or their phone number. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new group on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.